Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your header in WordPress. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open up your browser, then go to your WordPress dashboard, then after that just simply click on visit site, then go to your site. So as you can see, this is currently my header, so I'm going to change the color of it. Now in order for you to do that, just simply go back to your dashboard, then hover over appearance, then you will find customize. Just simply click on it. Now in customize you will find an option called use site editor. Just simply click on that. Now in the site editor, just simply first choose the template part. So click on the drop box, then choose header over here. Now after that just simply click edit over here. Now just simply highlight the section that you want to edit, like this one. Just simply highlight that. Then just simply click on the style option over here. And the style option, you can change a lot of things like typography, color, layout, etc, etc, and a whole lot more things you can do over here. What we are going to do is just simply focus on colors. So just simply go back. Now just simply click on colors over here. Now over here just simply click on the palette over here. Now as you can see over here, our theme has 3 types of colors. So just simply change them. Like the primary color is red, which is probably the font. So let's change it to black. As you can see over here, it has changed. Now let's change the background color of here to more blackish something. Now let's change the color for the rest of the header. For doing that, again just simply choose any color. So as you can see over here, I have roughly changed the color of the header. I know it's not looking good, but for this tutorial, I think it's enough. So after that, for making the changes, what you will do is just simply hit save over here. So just simply hit save, then again save. And as you can see, it is written now site updated, meaning it has been updated. So that's it. That's how you can change the color of your header in WordPress. So thank you for watching. And do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.